And we're back. Time now for our Nebula, Beard, and Arsenault Legal Difference segment. Joining me today, attorney Richard Arsenault. Richard just recently received the Causidicus Award from the Alexandria Bar Association. So, Richard, thanks for joining us this morning. I appreciate it.
Oh, my pleasure, Mark. Thanks for having me.
No problem, Richard. Richard, tell us about this award, what it means to you, what it means to receive something like this.
The award, Causidicus is the Latin word for attorney. And the Alexandria Bar Association in our court every year has a tradition. It's called the opening of court, and it's a ceremony marking the end of the summer. It recognizes the new attorneys that are being admitted to the bar. And it also involves honoring some attorney with the Causidicus Award. There are 5 criteria for the award. Number one, they want to see an attorney that's been active in state and local ethics and civility. Someone who has consistently demonstrated, someone who professes a willingness to assist fellow members of the bar so as to improve the standards of practice of law, and someone who's active in community endeavors. And I'm grateful to have gotten this award. Colleagues here at the law firm have been so helpful over the last 4 decades. So I'm grateful to my firm, our colleagues, my family. Hope to continue to serve the community in the capacity that I have for the last 4 decades.
Yeah, and Richard, it has to be neat to receive an honor like this. It comes from your peers, and they really respect the work that you're doing, or you've done.
Well, I appreciate that. The civility here, and I've got the good fortune and practice all over the country, but the civility that we have here in Alexandria and central Louisiana, the respect that the court has for the lawyers, that the lawyers has for the court, it's remarkable, and I'm proud to be a member of this community.
Yeah, there is a unique introduction tradition. Can you tell us about that?
Well, typically Judge Ken Starr has agreed to introduce me. Judge Starr, as probably most people know, was a former United States Solicitor General. He was on the district court bench for the District of Columbia. He was the past president of Baylor University, past president of Pepperdine Law School, and he and I have tried cases together, worked on cases together. Honored to have him introduce me.
Yeah, and personally, I know the impact you have had on the community. I've known you for a few years.
I was her soccer coach.
That's right. You were. I almost forgot about that, Richard. That's why she was so good, right?
Right, and she's an attorney now that's doing very well in Baton Rouge, I think, huh?
Yes, and that's what I was going to bring up. You had a huge impact on her pursuing this field, pursuing a legal career. She's now practicing lawyer in Baton Rouge, and she gives you some credit.
She is she clerked for us for a while, and she was a lot of fire in her belly, and there was no doubt in my mind that she was going to be she is doing really well.
Well, thank you, Richard. Would you rather be an attorney or a soccer coach? Yeah, and you have been. You've been able to do both and do them well. Richard, thanks for joining us this morning. I appreciate it.
Oh, my pleasure, Mark.